Hi friends, this is Kamolika. Hope you are doing well. You are watching my cooking channel Kamolika's Shatkorok. That means the taste bud. Today I am going to share you a very common but delicious dish. Yes, you guessed it right. Keema Chana Masala, or you can say Meat Chickpeas Masala. So let's get started. First, we have to wash the chickpeas and soak them in water for 4 to 6 hours. Chickpeas itself a very tasty main ingredients. But if we combine with any kind of meat, it will enhance the taste. Today I will prepare the recipe with ground pork. Normally I love to use goat meat. Take a pressure cooker or pan. Pour the chickpeas and add some salt, turmeric powder, baking soda, water and some oil. Baking soda makes the boiling process faster. Close the lid and wait for 3 to 4 whistles. If you are boiling in a pan, boil until it softens. Take the whole spices and crush them until coarse. Chickpeas has a great food value and have a great impact on world cuisine. It's time to chop the onion. Now we are moving into the main part. Heat a karai or pan. Add some oil. Here I am using white oil. Then add the whole crushed spices and stir well. After that, add sliced garlic and green chilies. When the garlic turns golden brown, add the chopped onions and stir for some time. As an Indian, we all love chickpeas, and every province has their own different taste and style of cooking. Now add some salt and turmeric powder. Saute them well and cover the lid for a while. When onion turns golden brown, add ginger garlic paste and stir. After some time, add all the masala together. I am adding some Kashmiri chili powder for rich color. Add some water to cook the masala. Now we are adding tomato puree. I am adding Kasuri Methi or dried Fenugreek leaves for nice aroma. It's time to add the meat gradually, stir well and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. After that, add the boiled chana or chickpeas. Mix it well and add some water, cover the lid and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. People from various parts of the world use chickpeas in their cuisines in multiple ways. Finally, our Keema Chana Masala is almost ready. It's time to add some fresh flavors. I am adding chopped coriander leaves and green chilies. Now I am adding butter for extra smoothness and taste, but it is completely optional. Now we can transfer the Keema Chana Masala into a bowl. The mouth-watering Keema Chana Masala is ready to be served. You can combine with any types of roti or paratha. We are enjoying with whole wheat homemade butter naan and onion. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. See you on my next video with another recipe. Till then, stay healthy and happy and stay tuned.